We'll guide you through how to make vector animation in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. Open the Figma file where you want to create a vector animation. Click Ellipse from the Shape tool on the toolbar. Click and drag on the canvas while holding the Shift key to create a perfect circle. Next, select the Pen tool from the toolbar. Draw a shape according to your preference, for example similar to the one shown in the video. Scroll down in the Properties panel on the right side of the interface. In the Stroke section, click the Remove icon to remove the stroke from the vector shape, so only the fill color remains visible. Go to the Fill section and click Add Fill. Change the fill type to Gradient, so the shape displays a smooth color transition. Adjust the gradient colors according to your design needs, and modify the gradient handles to control the direction and blending of the colors. Duplicate the object and adjust its layout or position according to your preference on the canvas. Change the gradient color on the second object according to your design needs, so it looks different from the first object. Next, select all objects on the canvas. Right-click and choose Use as Mask to place the vector shapes inside the circle. Select the Mask Group layer in the Layers panel to manage the masked objects easily. Click Create Component in the Properties panel to convert the masked object into a reusable component. Then click Add Variant to create another variant of the component. Select the vector shapes in Variant 2, then enlarge the vector shapes until they fill the circle area completely. Repeat the same adjustment for the second vector shape, so both shapes expand and cover the circular area. Now click Prototype in the right panel. Connect the prototype interaction from Variant 1 to Variant 2. Adjust the interaction settings similar to the example shown in the video. For example, set the trigger to After Delay, change the delay to 1 millisecond. Set the animation to Smart Animate, and adjust the duration to 6,000 milliseconds. Create a frame on the canvas to present the vector animation. Select Variant 1, then drag it into the frame while holding the Alt key. Click the present icon in the top right corner. Review the vector animation carefully to ensure it works correctly.